Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So, this is for July 11 to July the 13th reading. Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience at nagla-live po tayo doon. No? So, take advantage of asking the question. No? Pero pwede rin naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Libra, magsimula na tayo. So I feel like, bakit sinasabi mo dito na parang nararamdaman ko na, no? Either ibabahay na ako or namimiss ko nang umuwi. There's something about the warmth of probably a home-cooked meal. It felt like you're missing people or a person, no? When it comes to their presence per se, no? Sabihin natin yung makita mo pa lang sila, alam mong kampante ka na, no? Alam mo na pwede kang maging ikaw. Pero bakit may tanong dito na, am I still being welcome? So, gusto mo, pero yung decision making natin parang medyo half-hearted din in a way. Pero kung ikaw lang yung papapiliin or papipiliin, I would love to go home, no? As much as possible, gusto mong gawin ito as early, no? Pero it's either na may kailangan tayong tapusin. It could be that we have a contract to do a specific task, job, no? And we need to finish the contract for a few numbers of you baka OFW. So there's a physical separation per se. Physical separation, sabihin na natin na nasa ibang lugar nga tayo. You might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Or nasa kabilang barangay lang, what have you, pero stay in, hindi naman makauwi. With the star in here, I feel like siguro minsan iniisip din natin, tama ba yung naging desisyon ko na unahin ko ang feelings ng ibang tao kaysa sa unahin ko yung feelings ko, no? We have a lot of questions in here. Siguro we are also either doubting our own decision right now or in the past. Are we second guessing? Siguro meron na tayong somewhat, no? Parang sablay yung decision ko, pero nandito na no? Ano pang magagawa natin? Let's clarify the moon card by the Emperor and the Empress. I'm also feeling fear, no, in this. Baka kasi may fear ka na, si person ko ba, ako pa rin ba ang mahal? Si person ko ba, ako pa rin ba ang nasa isip, no? Si person ko ba, buo pa rin itong tiwala sa akin? Let's clarify the Two of Coins, the Chariot, and the Eight of Swords. Pwede rin ditong incarcerated, no? Yung couple na ito. For a few numbers of you, baka kaya meron sinasabi ko kanina, medyo malapit lang din. Pero hindi makalabas kasi nakakulong, no? Yun nga, siguro kung I'm going to butt this in, hapiyawan ko lang ng konti, no? Kasi lumabas talaga dito yung energy na I can't do something to resolve the issue. Kind of, I'm in a box. Um, siguro kung sino man yung nakakulong dito, no? Sinasabi niya, whether this is you, this is your person, or the third, the cross watchers, no? Parang sinasabi nito, bali talaga yung naging decision ko. So ngayon meron ba talaga mga pagsisisi, no? Um, I think that there is a wish. Inaantay lang kung kailan mangyayari. Um, deep knowing, no, ito yung parang sinasabi, alam ko naman din na dadating yung time. Nandito lang tayo sa part na inip, no, naiinip. Tsaka may konting takot na din. With the crescent in here, sort of hinihila natin itong araw, no? Parang medyo matagal-tagal na yung separation. Medyo matagal-tagal na itong sabihin natin hindi natin masyadong nakakausap, nakakapiling. Ganun na lang yung pangungulila ba, no? Sa person na ito. Siguro yung fear dito is yung status ko, no? Magiging ganun pa rin kaya siya kainit pag nagkita kami, no? Lately parang nagkakaroon na tayo ng anxiety because of the loneliness and probably the loneliness, no? So let's check some more cards here. Libra, habang nagsha-shuffle tayo ng cards, hihingi lang po ako ng konting tulong. Sa description box po, nandun po yung link ng gumagayang account po sa akin. Ang masama po nun kasi kinuha niya yung mga videos, ginamit niya para sa kanya. Ang masama nun, medyo actually, may konti lang talagang pagkakaiba. And I think nagsusolicit siya, no, ng mga, actually, may mga nagsabi na nireport na rin sa akin. I reported the TikTok account of that person, of the impostor, no? Pero, I think kailangan yata ng madaming reports. So, ilalagay ko sa description box. Yun po yung pinakauna, no? Tulong na lang po kasi bukod sa baka madaming ma-scam, pag lumala ito, ihihinto ko na lang itong reading. So, yun lang naman po ang hinihingi ko para dire-diretso ang kasiyahan natin, no? Medyo kasi hindi rin ako makafocus apart from I'm doing some I'm talking to someone on how we can stop this. Syempre yung isip ko medyo nahati din yung oras, no? Para focus lang tayo dito sa reading. Now, let's go back. Sorry to butt that in. Now, Libra, I feel like there's also some, sabihin natin ditong age gap. Hindi man ganun kalayo yung gap. It may not be a May-December love affair, pero sabihin natin meron. If we're not talking about an age gap, it could be sabihin natin maturity. And I feel like you yourself become mature because of this separation with the Five of Swords. What you wanted in here is just to finish whatever it is that needs to be done. You're striving your best, and I feel like if there's a promise here of kailangan ko bumalik or babalikan kita, if that's the security, Libra, na medyo nagiging hesitant tayo, I want you to know na seryoso yung promise, no? Kung ikaw itong pinangakuan, kung ikaw naman itong nangako, I also want you to know that the person still loves you the same way no? Before you leave, and I feel like it's getting more deeper pa nga. I'm not seeing any third party, whether ikaw yung pinangakuan, ikaw yung nangako, no? In fact, sobrang focus kung sino man ito, no, na nasa malayong lugar. To save, to fulfill, no, itong promises niya, with the Four of Wands as well. There's what I am seeing in here is cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. I think nabubuo na tayo ng family pagbalik nitong person na ito. So I think that this is more of an OFW story, no? But it doesn't really have to be. Pwede nga rin sinabi ko kanina, incarcerated or nandiyan lang siya pero hindi naman siya makalabas, no? Let's clarify here the Five of Swords, the World card, and the Ten of Cups. So chances are, by next year, April of next year, what I am seeing, ito yung uwi ni person, no? Siguro nanonood ka nito, no? Nakataas ang paa mo. That's what I am also seeing in here. Yeah, more of the enlightenment of this person showing up in your life in physical form, no? Pwede mo na siyang hawakan, um, halikan, yakapin, is by next year. And nakikita ko talaga itong either pag-iisang dibdib, living in together, talking about the future, bibili ng bahay, what have you, is going to happen by April of next year. This is, all of you are, kind of, this is what you wanted. The gentleness in here, although this might be rocky, for a few numbers of you, what I'm seeing here is bodies of water. So chances are either fisherman, seaman, no, itong person ninyo. Libra. But I feel like there's also sort of stones. So whether they are construction workers abroad or construction workers here, it doesn't matter. But hiker also is what I am seeing. Drivers are here. This is manpower, laborer talaga. No? So Libra, let's check here the emotion of your person. Libra, let's check the emotion of your person, or this might be your emotion. Now is not the time. You are the light at the end of my tunnel. So, pwede nagmimina din, ano? What I am seeing in here is, papunta tayo doon sa wish fulfillment natin, sa goal natin. Alam kong hindi pa ngayon, kaya nga sabi ko by next year, alam kong dadating din yon, no? Yun ba yung kanta ni Ai sa pagdating ng panahon? Alam kong dadating din. Somewhat like that, no? So Libra, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person, no? I'm seeing Virgo, um, Sagittarius, Taurus, Leo, Pisces, Aquarius, Aries, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Cancer, no? Ayan po ang inyong reading, Libra. Again, nagsusumamo po ako sa inyo. Paki-report po yung nandun sa description box, para po matigil na ito at makapag-focus tayo. Matigil na itong iniisip ko at matigil na siya. Kung hindi tayo ang titigil, ako ang titigil, no? Para hindi niya magamit yung name. This is your reading, Libra, for July 11 to July the 13th. So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below. kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. And nagla-live din po tayo doon. Pero kung hindi po kayo abot sa ating live session, sa comment section po pwede naman kayo magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Libra, I wanted to know na kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box din po, no, nandun naman yung link ng aking website. So, sa aking website po, nandun yung legit transactions, no? Kasi dito galing yung mismo, no? Hindi sa kung saan-saan. Nandun po yung information, QR codes, nandun po yung modes of payment, how much per question. I also created a 4 question plus 1 discounted price. Again, nandun naman po, all of it are in visual forms. So makikita nyo yung legit number, no, and legit name na nandun din po. So pwede nyo i-match. Kapag hindi yon, hindi ako yon, no? Pag hindi yung nandoon, it's actually not me. And kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng private reading, dun din po sa description box. Love and light to you. Namaste. And see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.